Hello friends, I'm Dr. Victory. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great. So today's topic is on obesity and its effective homeopathic medicine. Friends, I will also be talking on tips on weight loss in my next upcoming video, because if I share everything here then the video gonna be too lengthy. So let's start with today's topic, that is obesity. So what is obesity? Obesity is a disorder involving excessive body fat in your body that increases serious health problems. So obesity is a complex disease. So in your body, when you have excessive fat cells present, so what happens is this fat cell will hamper the function of your cells and the tissues. Like it can be in your heart, it can be in your liver, it can be in the cells of your kidney or your abdomen or your intestine or your stomach or your heart. So when these excessive cells are spread all over, so what happens is your normal body cells and tissues, they are not able to perform their normal function. So since they are not able to do their function or they work properly because of the fat cell, what happens is your body starts getting sick. You are at risk of getting illnesses. So the more you are obese, the more you are at risk of getting serious health problems. So what are those serious health problems? It can be heart disease, hypertension, diabetes mellitus, high cholesterol, or joint pain, certain cancer. So it is very, very important that you maintain a normal body weight for yourself. Therefore, it is very, very important that you know your normal body weight. You should know, according to your height, how much should be your normal body weight. That is done by the help of BMI, that is body mass index. This is an index which estimates your body fat percentage present in your body, or it helps you to know your normal body weight according to your height. So what is the formula for knowing body mass index for your body? That is the formula you can see in the picture. It is BMI equal to weight in kg, weight in kilogram divided by height in meter square. I repeat again, BMI is equal to weight that is measured in kg divided by height measured in meter square. So this is the formula. So let's see one example. If example you are of 30 years old and your weight is 55 kg and your height is 148 centimeter. So convert 148 centimeter into meter. So it will be 1.48 meters. So you can put it in the formula, that is weight 55 kg divided by 1.48 into 1.48, since it is meter square. So 1.48 into 1.48, so it is 2.1904. Now divide 55 by 2.1904, it comes 25.1. so this is your BMI. So let's see, here I'll be showing you the BMI table recommended by WHO. So you can see in the picture again, you can see the BMI table given by World Health Organization, WHO. So on one side it has been given the category and the other side it has been given the BMI range. So now, if in case while calculating your BMI it comes less than 16, in that case you are in severe thinness. It is between 16 to 17, you are in moderate thinness. If it is 17 to 18.5, you are in mild thinness. If the BMI value comes as 18.5 to 25, you have a normal body weight. If you are in between 25 to 30, you are overweight. If you are between 30 to 35, you are obese, class 1 obesity. If you are in between 35 to 40, you are in class 2 obesity. And if you are more than 40, if your BMI is more than 40, then you are in class 3 obesity. So if you are in class 3 obesity, you are at a greatest risk of suffering from serious illnesses. It can be certain cancer. it might be even irreversible disease. So it is very important that you know your BMI and check whether you are having a normal body weight or not. A normal body weight is very important so that you don't suffer from all those serious illnesses, right? So let's go back again to our example. We were calculating our BMI, so it has come as 25.1. so let's see, let's put it in the BMI table and see whether in which range or in which category 25.1 falls. So here it falls under overweight, so you are overweight. So it is very important that you reach to a normal body weight so that you lead a healthy life without diseases. So this was about BMI. Let's see, what are the main causes for obesity? The main causes are diet, second is exercise, third is genetics, and fourth is environmental factors. So in diet, when you take too much of high calorie diet like carbohydrates and fats, when you take excess in the carbohydrate, when you take too much of refined food like refined sugar, refined maida, refined salt, then all those highly processed food like all those deep fried food, pizza, your cake, your pasta, your fried potatoes, all deep fried items, food which are loaded with high glycemic index. So all this food, when you take in excess, it makes you fat, it makes you gain more and more weight and fat. The next important thing is exercise. When you do less exercise, when you do less physical activity, in that case you tend to gain more and more of weight, because when the input is more and the output is less, in that case you suffer from weight gain. So what happens is, in today's world we live a sedentary lifestyle. We do most of our work sitting, like even in office we do our work sitting in the chair. Then at home also watching TV, we do it sitting. Then even while eating also we do it sitting. Then lying in our couch, lying down, playing video games, even having our screen time. We kind of have become lazy, and we like to do most of work sitting. We like sitting idle. So it is very important that we avoid living a sedentary lifestyle. In ancient times, if you see, you can hardly find anyone who are obese. Our ancient people, our ancestors, they are all very healthy. They do not suffer from diseases like diabetes and hypertension and all these other harmful diseases. So it has been said that India is the diabetic capital of the world, and Kerala is the diabetic capital of India. It has also been estimated that by 2025, India will become the hypertension capital of the world, which is a serious issue. Therefore, it is very important that we give importance to this and try to maintain a normal body weight for our own benefit. The third important cause for obesity is genetic. The fourth important cause is environmental factor. Like example, if you are in constant stress, in that case what happen is, if you are always in stress, if you are in anxiety or in fear or tension or depression or sadness, in that case your body releases cortisol, which is a stress hormone. So this cortisol, they do not allow you to lose your weight, especially on the abdomen area. So cortisol is a stress hormone. So what happens is, when cortisol is released, it doesn't allow you to lose your weight. Like I can remember some of my friends in my college used to say, even if they stays in their native place, then they do not gain weight. But when they come to the college and when they stay in the hostel, and even if they drink water or even if they breathe, they gain weight. Their face gets bloated. The main reason is because of stress, because of anxiety, because of stress. So if you are in stress, then you gain weight. It is difficult to lose your weight when you are in stress. So it is very important that you lead a healthy life, mentally and both physically. Friends, this was about 4 causes for obesity. I'll be talking more on it in my next upcoming video, that is on tips on weight loss, in my next video. Kindly watch it. Friends, now let's see some of the effective homeopathic medicine for weight loss. The first important medicine is Calc in 200 potency. Indication for taking these medicines are tendency to obesity, especially children who grow fat with large belly and large head, people who are dull, who are lazy, who suffer from constipations, who do not want to do any kind of physical work or any kind of mental work, who are shy in nature, they hate doing any kind of or they are aversion to do any kind of physical activity or mental activity. Also, obesity is because of pituitary problem or because of thyroid disorder. So this was about Calc. The method of taking this medicine is take 1 drop of this medicine, put it in the mouth, that's all. Put it in the mouth on empty stomach without water. You cannot repeat this medicine frequently. You can only repeat this medicine after 1 month. That is because it's a deep acting medicine. So that was about Calc. The next important medicine is Graphitis in 200 potency. Indications, especially for women who are fat and stout with history of delayed menses, constipation, tendency to obesity. The method of taking the medicine is again same as the previous medicine, that is put 1 drop of the medicine in the mouth, that's all, on empty stomach without water. You cannot repeat this medicine frequently. You can only repeat this medicine after 1 month. Again, it's a deep acting medicine. Next important medicine is Thyroidinum in 200 potency. Indications for people who suffer from goiter, tendency to obesity, excessive obesity, also for constipations, for people with weak pulse, low BP, easy fatigue, weakness, with cold hands and feet. These are the indications for Thyroidinum to be given in 200 potency. Method of giving the medicine is again same as the previous 2 medicines, that is put 1 drop of the medicine in the mouth on empty stomach without water. Do not repeat this medicine frequently. You can repeat this medicine only after 1 month. The fourth important medicine is Phytolacca berry mother tincture. Indications, people who are obese without any causes, people who gain weight without any causes. The method of taking this medicine is take 5 ml of lukewarm water. You can take any normal tap water, but when you take in lukewarm water, the effectiveness of the medicine increases. So take about 5 ml of lukewarm water. In that put 20 drops of the mother tincture, that is Phytolacca berry mother tincture. Mix well and drink it on empty stomach. In the morning, the same way, 20 drops. In the afternoon, 20 drops of the medicine. In the evening, again 20 drops of the medicine, right? So that was about Phytolacca. Take this medicine for about 20 days and you will start seeing the result. The next important medicine is Fucus vesiculosus. The indications are obesity, tendency to obesity, especially people who suffer from thyroid disorder, hypothyroidism, enlarged thyroid gland. These are the indications for Fucus vesiculosus. The method of taking the medicine is same as the previous medicine, that is like Phytolacca berry mother tincture, that is in 5 ml of water, in 5 ml of lukewarm water, put 20 drop of the medicine and mix well and drink it on empty stomach in the morning, in the afternoon, as well as in the evening. That's all. Again, take this medicine for about 20 days and you'll start seeing results. So coming to the last medicine, it's Calotropis mother tincture. Indications, tendency to obesity. The muscles are firm and hard. Muscles are firm and hard. Method of taking this medicine is take 5 ml of lukewarm water. In that put only 5 drops of the medicine, that is put only 5 drops of Calotropis mother tincture. Mix well and drink it on empty stomach in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. Here you just have to put only 5 drops of the medicine. So that was about 6 effective homeopathic medicine for weight loss. Again friends, do not self-medicate any of this. Kindly consult a homeopathic physician nearby. Do not take all this medicine all together. You can just take one or two medicine at a time. Friends, it is very important that you lead a healthy lifestyle both mentally and physically. Do yoga, do exercise, do meditations. By doing all that, you release happy hormones that I've already spoken in my earlier previous videos. Kindly watch it. So when you are in stress, because stress is also one of the important factor for gaining weight, for obesity, it becomes very hard to lose weight even when you diet or even when you do exercise. If you have stress, then you gain weight. It is difficult to lose your body fat if you are in constant stress. So it is very important that you try to release all those stresses by releasing more and more happy hormones. This happy hormone, they suppress the stress hormone, that is a cortisol. So that's all for today friends. Kindly watch my next upcoming video, that is on tips on weight loss. So take care, stay safe till then, stay healthy and be happy. Take care. Bye.